Good evening, all. Welcome to Unacademy. So, this is Banu Prakash, expert in GATE and EAC. I did MTech from NIT Kurukshetra. I have 10 years of teaching experience and I train many students throughout our country for different competitive exams like GATE, ESC, Transco, and GENCO. My subjects are electrical machines and power electronics. Okay. This is BPC10 is my referral code. Use this code, you will get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription and also Iconic subscription. Okay. There are two types of the live classes. So one is a play that is a YouTube live classes and Unacademy live classes. YouTube live classes are absolutely free, no need to pay single rupee. But to get Unacademy live classes, you have to take the subscription. That is we have a two types of the subscription. One is the Plus subscription and also Iconic subscription. What are the benefits of the Plus subscription? So you will get live classes from the top educators of the country, and also you will get structural schedule. Okay, and structural schedule for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 18 months, the 24 months, and also you will get unlimited practice questions for subject wise and topic wise. And one more benefit of the Plus subscription, that is the test series. So it is a very important role to crack any competitive exam. So also by taking this subscription, you also get test series for subject wise, mock test and everything. And in Iconic subscription, okay, it is a complete structure of all the benefits. Okay, you will get these four benefits, and also you will get a personal coach, and that means we will assign a personal coach, so he will guide everything until you get a job. And we will provide a study planners, expert guidance, and ESC mains questions and answers here. So BPC10 is my referral code. Okay, use this code, you will get 10% discount on Plus subscription and Iconic subscription. And what are the prices for the Plus subscription and Iconic subscription? So Plus subscription is available for 12 months, 18 months, and also 24 months. For 12 months, the fee is 27,225 rupees. Okay, after the discount of the 10%. The for 18 months, the fee is at 34,650 rupees after the discount of 10%. For 24 months, the fee is the 39,600 rupees after the discount of the 10%. Okay. So use my code BPC10. You will get 10% discount on Plus subscription as well as Iconic subscription. Okay. Got it? My point? So one more subscription, that is Iconic subscription. It is available for the 12 months and 24 months. For 12 months, the fee structure is a 45,000, okay, 225 rupees. Okay, and for 24 months, this is the 66,000, the 66,600 rupees after the discount of the 10%. Okay, BPC10 is my referral code. Use this code, you will get 10% to discount on Plus subscription as well as Iconic subscription. Okay, all of you got it about this price for the Plus and Iconic subscription. Please take this subscription as early as possible. Okay. Okay. So previous class we had discussed about power diode circuit with DC excitation. So this power diode circuits with DC excitation. Okay. So here the first one we have discussed about the for R load. What is the nature of the load current and the load voltage for R load, and similarly for the inductive load. So what is the value of what is the load current and load voltage for inductive load. So one more is a for capacitive load. So the capacitive load. So what is the behavior of the capacitive current or load current and also the load voltage. And other one we are discussed about for RL load. So there is a power diode circuit with a DC excitation for R load, inductive load, capacitive load and RL load. So today we will discuss about continuation of this topic. So that is a so we will discuss about the power diode circuit with DC excitation for RC load. Okay, that is the capacitive loads here. It is a purely resistive, purely inductive, purely capacitive. So this is the RC load, and one more is a we will discuss about that is a LC load. So there is a inductive and capacitive loads. So this part is a very important. So this is a LC load and LC load. This is also called tank circuit. Okay, all of you clear my point? So power diode circuit with DC excitation 2R. So that means for this one is a the for RC load. Okay, E part RC load, and second one is a okay F. So that is a for the LC load. Okay. So see here diode circuit. Okay, diode. The here RC elements are connected in series with the diode as shown in the figure. So let Vs is the supply voltage, S is the switch, and terminals of the diode. It is the anode, and this one is the cathode terminal. And voltage across the diode is the VD, and this is the positive terminal. Current enters at the positive, leaves at the negative. Similarly, current enters at the positive and leaves at the negative in the capacitive terminal. So current passes to the load. Okay, that is a I naught, and the voltage across the load here, the V naught value here. All of you clear my point? So let Vs is the supply voltage. Okay, V naught is. So here we will discuss the terminology. So let Vs is supply voltage, supply DC voltage. Okay, steady state voltage, and V naught is a load voltage, and I naught is the load current. Okay, so let us assume the switch is closed at t is equal to 0 as like a RL load. So when switch is closed at t is equal to 0, then what will happen? So diode comes into the conduction so that load current passes through the load in the circuit here. When switch is open, then no current passes to the load terminals. But when switch is closed at t is equal to 0, the diode comes into the conduction so that the current passes to the load terminals here. So when switch, let assume switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Okay, when switch is closed at t is equal to 0, switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Okay, t is equal to 0. Then what will happen? Diode starts conduction. Diode comes into the conduction or starts conduction. So current passes to the load terminal in the circuit. Passes through load terminal in circuit. Okay, so this is the operation, this is the process occur in this RC load with DC, the diode circuit with a DC excitation per RC load. Okay, so when it is current starts flowing, then by KVL equation we can write. So by KVL, so just Vs is a here current enters at the negative terminal and leaves at the positive terminal. But here current enters at the positive terminal and leaves at the negative terminal. So voltage across the diode is equal to 0 when switch is closed. Why? Because the in forward conduction mode diode is the ideally it is act as a closed switch. Okay, it is a short circuited. Almost here the voltage drop here ideally is equal to 0. So it is a very small, but we neglected. Ideally we can take 0 voltage. So that is a minus Vs, okay, minus Vd, the plus the V naught is equal to 0. So where what is the Vd voltage? It is equal to 0 minus Vs minus 0 plus V naught equal to 0. So from this equation we can write V naught is equal to the Vs. So this is the V naught is equal to Vs1. But V naught is what? Voltage across this branch. Okay, voltage across is the across from year to year. So that is the voltage. So load is R and C element. So that's why voltage across these two elements is called the V naught. So how do we write this equation? Okay, V naught equation. So there here is a we can write V naught is equal to the V naught equal to Vs. So what is the V naught value? So that is the I naught R. Okay, I naught R. So plus okay 1 by C integral. So 0 to T. Okay, I dt. Okay, I dt. So equal to the Vs value here. So by taking Laplace transform. Okay, by taking Laplace transform. Okay, Laplace transform. So we get okay this equation. So here R into I naught of S. Okay, I naught of S. So integration. So that is equal to so I naught of S divided by the CS. Okay, CS. Okay, I naught of S the divided by CS value here. So this is a letter here CS is equal to the Vs of that 0 here. So assume here the node, okay, the here Q of 0, okay, is equal to 0. That's why we can write directly here. So Q of 0 here, charge in the capacitor is equal to 0. So that's why we have written I of S is equal to. Otherwise you can write directly. Otherwise, okay, otherwise, so we have to write that is a the R into I naught of S is equal to so 1 by CS. So it is a so this is the I naught of S, okay, minus okay this the sorry plus is a Q of the 0. So if there is a charge we have to mention here. So if the Q of 0 is equal to 0, we can write directly I naught of S is equal to. So it is not V naught of S this part. Okay, Vs of S value here. So now simplify this is equal to 0. Therefore you can write so R into I naught of S the plus 1 by CS I naught of S the is equal to Vs by S value here. So this is also equal to Vs by S. So now again simplify this equation. So here V naught of S is equal to just wait a minute. R into I naught of S 1 by CS, okay, that is equal to Vs by S. So from this equation you can write I naught of S is equal that here I naught of S is a common. So that is equal to R plus 1 by CS, that is equal to Vs by S value. Okay, Es by S. So therefore I naught of S, you can write I naught of S, you can write that is equal to the Vs by S. So I naught of S is equal to the Vs by S. So I naught, so R plus, okay, 1 by CS. So now simplify this equation. So Vs by S divided by the RCS, okay, plus 1 divided by CS. Okay, now S will be the cancelled out. Okay, we can write the CVS divided by the 1 plus RCS. Okay, RCS here. So now this equation divided, both sides divide. So this is a I naught of S is equal to Y naught of S. So this equation you can write CVS the divided by RC. Okay, divided by the RC. Okay, and 1 by RC here. So this is 1 plus RCS divided by the RC. Okay, here numerator and denominator divided by RC. So now here C will be the cancelled out. So that is equal to Vs by R. So this is a, you can write Vs by R into, so 1 by the S plus 1 by RC1. Okay, 1 by RC1. So this equation you can write here is a 1 by S plus R. So now this one is a by taking inverse Laplace. Okay, by taking so inverse Laplace transformer. So we get the I naught of t is equal to, okay, I naught so of t, so that is equal to the Vs by R. Okay, e power minus, so v power minus t by tau, where tau is a time constant. Okay, time constant here. So now it is equal to time constant. So that is a the RC value. Okay, here 1 by the RC. Time constant is equal to RC. Okay, all of you clear my point? I naught of t is equal to Vs by R, v power minus t by tau. So now what are the observations from these equations? So this part very important, observations from the equations point. What will happen? See, so at t is equal to 0. Okay, at t is equal to 0. First one. So now I naught of t is equal to I naught of 0. So it is equal to Vs by R. Okay, v power minus 0. V power minus 0 is equal to Vs by R. Okay, v power minus 0 equal to the Vs by R1. So next one, at t is equal to the t1. So then what will happen? So it is at t is equal to t1 time. So I naught of, okay, I naught of t1 is equal to, so Vs by R, okay, e power minus the t1 by tau, okay, where tau is the time constant. Now again the at t is equal to the infinity, okay, t is equal to infinity. So now what about this t is equal to infinity? I naught of t infinity is equal to the Vs by R, the e power minus infinity 1. So e power minus infinity in the sense it is equal to 0, okay. So now this is at t is equal to 0, current passes through the load. Okay, this I naught of t in the sense the current passes through load. The load current, or sometimes it is also called forward diode current. All are same, load current, forward diode current. So I naught of t is equal to 1 Vs by R, v power minus t by t, where t is equal to So that is a t is equal to RC. At t is equal to 0, I naught of 0 is equal to the Vs by R. So it is equal to Vs by minus 0, Vs by R. At t is equal to T1, I naught of T1 is equal to Vs by R. So by this, the 3 or 4 equations are very important to draw the waveform for the load current. Okay, load current. All of you got it? So now voltage across the capacitor. How do we get voltage across the capacitor? Okay, let us write voltage across the capacitor. Now let us find out voltage across capacitor. So that is the Vc of t here. Okay, Vc of t. So now it is equal to 1 by C integral. So I naught dt here. Okay, this is the I naught d. So now simplify Vc of t is equal to the 1 by C integral Vs of R. So e power minus t by tau. Okay, dt. Okay, dt1. So therefore it is equal to Vs by R. So we can write, so Vc of t is equal to the Vs, okay, 1 by simplification 1 minus the e power minus t by RC or tau value here. So e power minus t by tau, where tau is equal to RC. So this is the Vc of t. So then what we observe from this equation? Okay, observations from this equation. So now at t is equal to the 0, then what will happen? See. So at first one, at t is equal to 0. So here is a Vc of t is equal to Vc of 0. So it is equal to the Vs 1 minus e power minus 0. E power minus 0 is equal to 1. So that is equal to 0 value here. So now at t is equal to, okay, t equal to, okay, t equal to t1. So now it is a Vc of t1 equal to the Vs, the v power minus t1 by the tau. So this is the equation. Next one, at t is equal to infinity. So then what will happen? So Vc of t infinity is equal to the Vs, okay, 1 minus the e power minus infinity. So now it is equal to Vs values. Okay, Vc of infinity. All of it clear? Just wait a minute. I will check voice. Is it clear or not? Video also. So this is about the current passes to the load for RC load and also voltage across the capacitor. Vc of t is equal to Vs into 1 minus e power minus t by tau here. So observations from this equation, at t is equal to 0, the voltage across the capacitor that equal to 0. And at t is equal to t1 second, voltage across the capacitor is equal to Vs into 1 minus e power minus t1 by tau. So sometimes here capacitor voltage, source voltage is given, find out the time t1. So sometimes here t1 is given and Vs is given, find out the voltage across the capacitor at time period. So at time is equal to sum. So these are the all possibility questions. We'll discuss all the questions. Okay. And at t is equal to infinity, Vc of infinity is equal to the Vs into 1 minus e power minus infinity, that is equal to the Vs values. Okay. And how do we draw waveforms? By using these two equations. Okay. First one, at t is equal to 0, what is the I naught of t here? So this is the I naught of t and Vc of t here. So at t is equal to 0, I naught of t is equal to, it is a the Vs by R. Okay, Vs by R here. So this is the I naught of t at t is equal to 0. Okay, next one at here is a at t is equal to t1, it is a exponentially decreases. Exponentially the decreases exactly at t is equal to the t1. Then what will happen? So this is a current here. So this current is a, okay, this value is a the Vs by R. Okay, it is the at t is equal to t1, I naught of t1 the is equal to e power minus t1 by tau. So that is the exponentially decreases. So exactly at t is equal to infinity. So now it is becomes 0. Okay, this is the exponentially the decreases here. Okay, so next one, the voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 0. So that is a 0 value. And at t is equal to infinity, at t is equal to t1, it is the increases, the exponentially increases. Okay, increases here. And exactly at t1, so this value is equal to, so it is a v, that is a vc of t1. So it is equal to vs power of vs into 1 minus e power tau by t here. So this is the voltage at t is equal to t1. So next one at infinity we are, so it increases and the reaches the maximum value. So at this point, okay, exactly here. So Vs value, voltage across the infinity value, that is a Vs. So these are the waveforms, voltage across the capacitor and current passes through the load per RC loads. Okay, all of you clear my point? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, this is the discussion about the power diode circuit with the DC excitation for RC load. Now one more is a, that is a power diode circuit with DC excitation for LC load. This is a very important for all power electronic circuit. This is also called L tank circuit here. So here we let us assume Vs is the supply voltage, S is the switch. Okay, these diode terminals are anode and the cathode terminal. So this is the inductive load and capacitive load. So current enters at the positive terminal, leaves at the negative terminal. Similarly, in the capacitor, current enters at the positive terminal, leaves at the negative terminals. So all of it clean point, the current enters at the positive terminal and leaves at the negative terminal in the passive elements. Okay, and in case of the source here, current enters at the negative terminals and the leaves at the positive terminals like. So this is about the circuit part. So here let us assume the switch is closed at the t is equal to 0. When switches are closed at t is equal to 0, what will happen here? Diode comes into the conduction, so that current passes to the load to the current passes to the diode. That is, the diode acts as a short circuited. Current passes the load in the circuit. Okay. When switch is open, no current passes to the load terminals. Okay. Any more question? Okay. Here, so let assume switch is closed at, very important, this concept is a very important entire power electronic circuit. So let assume switch is closed at t is equal to the 0 here. So when the here this the when switch is closed at t is equal to 0, switch is closed at t is equal to 0, what will happen? Diode comes into the conduction, so current passes through the load. Okay, so this is happen in the internally in the circuit. When switch is closed at t is equal to 0, diode comes into the conduction, so current passes through load here. So when the where by conduction, so it the voltage across this diode is equal to ideally 0. So by KVL equation, okay, by KVL, so here by KVL equation, so here this is a minus Vs minus V naught, okay, plus, okay, this is the V naught voltage across the load. So it is a V naught voltage across the load here. So plus V naught is equal to 0. So V naught is equal to 0 minus Vs, okay, minus 0, the plus V naught equal to 0. So from here V naught is equal to, okay, V naught equal to Vs1. So what is the V naught? Voltage across the inductor and capacitor here. So now this current passes to the load is a I naught amount of the current. V naught is a load voltage. I naught is a current passes to the load. So therefore you can write, okay, L, okay, d I naught by dt, okay, plus 1 by C integral, so I naught dt, okay, I naught dt, that is a Vs value here. So by Laplace transform, okay, Laplace transform, so we get, okay, take the Laplace transform for this equation. So now it is equal to S L, okay, I naught of S, the plus the 1 by Cs, okay, it is a I naught of S, okay, minus, okay, sorry, plus the initial charge is equal to Q of charge. So here is a, this is also IL of 0, that is equal to 0 we have taken. So Vs by S value here. Now this is a initially the charge is equal to, so let assume the Q of 0, okay, is equal to 0. So now Q of 0 is equal to 0, then what will happen? So this equation we can rewrite, okay, S into L I naught of S plus 1 by Cs I naught of S, the is equal to Vs by S value here. So I naught of S is equal to I naught of S, that equal to, sorry, I naught of S is a common. So that is equal to SL plus 1 by Cs, okay, 1 by Cs, the is equal to Vs by S. So now here I naught of S is a equation. So this is equation you can write the Vs by S divided by, okay, SL plus 1 by the Cs. So now simplify this equation. So it is equal to Vs by S. Okay, now simplify. So LC, okay, S square, okay, LC here. So what will happen? This CV here, L Vs by S, LC S square plus 1 divided by Cs. So S will be the cancelled out. So this is equal to the C into Vs divided by, okay, C into Vs divided by. So that is a, S will be the cancelled out, C into Vr by the LC S square plus 1. Okay, play. So now both side numerator and denominator divided by LC. Then what will happen? See. So now here I naught of C is equal to I naught of S. So that is the numerator and denominator. The CVS divided by LC. Okay. So next one, the LCS square, the 1 LC square divided by LCA. So this will become 1, and here the LC is cancelled out. Okay, it is equal to VS by L. Okay, VS by L. Okay, divided by Vs by L divided by the S square, the plus 1 by LC value here. Okay, 1 by LC. So now simplify this with the Vs by L, S square, 1 by S value here. Okay, 1 by S. So how do we simplify? How do we simplify here? So this equation you can write Vs by L, okay, into 1 by S square, 1 by LC. Okay, 1 by LC. So now again this equation you can write I naught of T is equal to I naught of S is equal to, so this equation, so Vs divided by the L into, okay, L, the Vs, the divided by S, 1 by L square. So Vs by L you can write, okay, wait a minute. Okay, let us assume omega naught is equal to 1 by the root LC. Okay, omega naught is equal to the root LC here. So therefore here you can write this equation I naught of S is equal to the Vs divided by omega naught L, the into omega naught divided by the S square omega naught square. Here numerator and denominator multiplied with the omega naught. So that's why there is no change in this equation. So this equation we can simplify here. So I naught of T is equal to here omega naught square, omega naught divided by. So this is S square plus omega naught square. That's why you can get 1 by LC. Okay. 1 by LC value. So I naught of S is equal to, okay, Vs omega naught L into omega naught divided by S square omega naught square here. So by taking inverse Laplace transform, so we get, okay, so simplify this I naught of T is equal to the Vs divided by omega naught L, so into the sine omega naught T here. Okay, sir. So now here this equation we can simplify the Vs omega naught is equal to 1 by, okay, it is a root LC, okay, root LC, the multiplied by L, okay, multiplied by L. So therefore we can write this equation, okay, here and the root LC multiplied by L. So this is equal to, so sine the omega naught T value. So now again simplify this equation I naught of T is equal to the Vs into under root of C by L. Okay, simplify this equation. We'll get here Vs into under root of C by L, the sine omega naught T values here. So here this is a I naught of T is equal to, so it is, you can write IP the sine omega naught T values here. So this is the current equation per LC circuit. Okay, current equation here. So this current, so here where where omega naught is the resonant frequency. So this is equal to omega naught. It is a 1 by root LC. So next one, IP is a peak value of the diode current. So this IP, in the sense you can write, it is the peak value of the diode current. Okay, how do we get this peak value? So IP is equal to Vs into under root of C by L. So this is the peak value of the diode current, and resonant frequency is equal to the 1 by root LC values. So now let us verify what will happen. So we can take, so note, okay, in this case, so what will happen, see, the at t is equal to, okay, 0. Okay, at t is equal to 0. So then I naught of 0 is equal to, okay, I naught of 0. So therefore, what will happen? I naught of 0. So at t is equal to 0, it means sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, I naught of 0 is equal to, so IP sine the omega naught here 0. So that t sine 0 is equal to that 0 here. Okay. So next one, at t is equal to, okay, t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, let us assume that t is equal to pi by 2, I naught of pi by 2. So this value is equal to, what will happen? So a pi by 2 means maximum value. So now this is equal to IP. So it is equal to Vs, okay, under root of the C by L value. Okay. Now at t is equal to, the t is equal to 5. Then what will happen? So at t is equal to 5. So this is equal to I naught of 5 is equal to, so now it is a sine the here IP the sine the omega naught the multiplied by 5. So now it is equal to 0. So at t is equal to 2 pi. After this, anyone, this the diode current comes equal to 0. Okay. Now let us find voltage across the capacitor. So this, what is the voltage across the capacitor? Voltage across the inductor. So this part we will discuss. So this is a very important parameters. So to draw the load current waveform. Okay. At t is equal to 0, I naught of 0 is equal to IP sine omega naught. So that is equal to 0. So at t is equal to pi by 2. Okay. This is the IP is equal to Vs. And next one, so this IP, I naught is equal to IP. So t is equal to 5, I naught is equal to 0 1. Okay. All of you clear my point? Is that okay, everyone? Just check. So now let us find out voltage across the capacitor. Across capacitor. What is the formula of voltage across the capacitor? So Vc of t is equal to 1 by C, the integral I naught, okay, dt. I naught of t dt here. So now this is equal to Vc of t 1 by C, the integral, okay. So 0 to t, integral 0 to t, Ip, the sine omega naught t, omega naught t, okay, dt values here. So therefore, by simplification, you can write Vc of t the is equal to, okay, Ip, okay, C by omega naught, okay, with respect to the t only, not omega naught t. That's why we can get IP divided by C omega naught t. So sine is equal to minus cos omega naught t. Okay, cos omega naught t. So dt from 0 to t values here. So here minus cos the same will get, and the cos 0 is equal to 1. So that we can write Vc of t is equal to the Vs, okay, 1 minus the cos omega naught t values here. So by simplification, we will get the Vc of t is equal to the Vs 1 minus cos omega naught t. Okay, so this is the voltage equations. So what we note from this equation, the note here, the first one, so at t is equal to 0, then what will happen? See, so Vc of 0 is equal to, when t is equal to 0, cos 0 equal to 1. So Vc of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now similarly, at t is equal to pi by 2. Okay, at t is equal to pi by. So therefore, Vc of 0 is equal to, sorry, Vc of pi by 2. Vc of pi by 2. So is equal to, so Vs into 1 minus cos. Okay, here the omega naught pi by 2 here. Okay, simplify this. So Vc of omega naught pi by 2 means, so this we can simplify, the we will get, so is equal to Vs, and at omega the t is equal to 5. So Vc of, okay, 5, so that is equal to, so here the this value will become, okay, 2 Vs. So now this is a Vc of 0, Vc of pi by 2, that is voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 0. Voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to pi by 2. Voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 5, that is equal to 2, the 2 times of the Vs, supply voltage. So this is about the voltage across capacitor. And how do we find out voltage across the inductor? Voltage across inductor. What is the formula? Voltage across the inductor. VL of t is equal to the L d I naught of TL. So therefore it is equal to L. So it is a d by dt. So it is equal to IP sine omega naught t. Okay, that is a dl of TL. So therefore it is equal to the VL of t. Simplify this. Okay, you will get Vs the cos omega naught t values here. So now let us find out what will happen voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 0. So note what we notes from this equation. So at t is equal to 0, okay, VL of the 0 is equal to, okay, it is at t is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So VL of 0 is equal to 1, that is the Vs here. Okay, next one, at t is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so VL of pi by 2 is equal to, okay, it is a 0. So now at t is equal to 5, so now we will get, so VL of the 5 is equal to the minus the Vs, that is the voltage across the inductor. Voltage across the inductor at pi. All of you clear my point? So next one more question. There is a, it is a very important. The voltage across the diode. The uh, soon after diode stops conduction. Okay, our voltage across the diode. The soon after it stops conduction. Okay, voltage across diode soon after it stops conduction. Okay, what is the voltage across the diode? The soon after it stops conduction. So first one, what is the conduction period here? So conduction period of the diode, conduction period. So it conduct only the, so conduction period omega naught t is equal to 5. Okay. So now this t is equal to 5 by omega naught. Okay, omega naught value is here. So how do we write this is equal to, so pi by omega naught in the sense the 5, the 1 by the root LC. Okay, root LC here. So now conduction time t is equal to, so 5 root LC. Okay, 5 root LC value here. So this is the conduction time of the diode. Okay. So in this conduction, so what will happen? Diode voltage is equal to diode voltage. So that value is equal to, how do we get this diode voltage? So VD is equal to minus VL minus VC, okay, plus VS. Okay, that is the diode voltage. So minus of the, when diode stop conduction, it is equal to the 0. Okay, now it is equal to the minus 2 VS. Okay, now this is equal to plus VS. So now simplify this. The VD is equal to, diode stop the conduction, voltage across the diode is equal to minus the VS value here. So this is a very important. When diode stop the conduction, what will happen? Supply voltage will become the source voltage. Okay, it is a very, so whenever diode stops conduction, it is become as open circuited. So voltage across this capacitor, this is equal to, that is a open circuit voltage, it is equal to Vs. That is a minus Vs. So now let us draw the complete waveforms for this. So initially it is a omega naught t. Okay, this is the with respect to the omega naught. So here also with respect to the omega naught t, and this is also omega naught t values here. So when omega naught t is equal to 0, so then what will happen? So this is the 0. Okay. So now at t is equal to 0. Okay. T is equal to, it is a pi by 2. Okay. It is equal to 5. So at this point, so what is the I naught here? That 0. So next one, it reaches, okay, reaches to the pi by 2 here, reaches the peak voltage. So now this is a I naught maximum. Okay, I naught maximum here. So this is called here I naught, the maximum here. So it is equal to the Vs into under root of C by N. Peak value of the peak value. So it is a Vs is equal to C by A. That is equal to IP. So Vs into C by A. So next one. So after the at phi is equal to, it comes the equals to the 0 in the sign function. So next one, when capacitor voltage Vc at t is equal to 0, capacitor voltage is equal to 0. So next one, it reaches to the Vs. Okay, Vs one. So now this voltage up to here, so it is a the Vs. So next one at phi is equal to here. So it is a 2 times of the Vs. Okay, this is the 2 times of the Vs, supply voltage at phi 1. Okay, so now next one, in this case the Vs and reaches to the 0. Okay, next one, so it is the at minus sign, it is the minus Vs, voltage across the minus the Vs. Okay, 0 and plus Vs, and the way after, when diode conducts, what is the voltage across the diode here? Okay, this is equal to, whenever diode conducts, voltage across the diode is equal to 0. When diode stop the conduction, so now this voltage soon after voltage, so it is equal to minus the Vs here. So now once here diode stop the conduction, voltage across the 0. So it is a completely 0 only. So now this is a continuously 2s. So 0, the 2s when diode stop the conduction. So 0 Vs side. Soon after, so that what are the observations from this waveform? So there are the 4 questions. One is the first question: what is the peak value of the diode current? Okay, this is one of the question. Peak value of the diode current is equal to Vs into under root of C by L. And second one is the conduction time of the diode. This is also one more question, 5 root LC. And next one, voltage across the capacitor, the after diode stops the conduction, that is equal to 2 Vs. Voltage across the inductor after diode stop the conduction, after the diode stop the conduction, that equal to 0. Next one, voltage across the diode, so after it stop the conduction, so that is the minus Vs. So these are the 5 possible question from this paper. Okay, so observations here, very important. Okay, so first one, in LC circuit, observations from LC circuit, this is the very important. Okay, so first observation, peak value of, okay, peak value of diode current. Diode current. So that is a IP is equal to the Vs into under root of C by L. Okay. And second one, conduction period of the diode current or conduction of time of the diode. Conduction time of, okay, diode. So that is a TD. Okay, it is equal to 5 root LC. Okay, 5 root LC. And next one, voltage across the capacitor. Okay, voltage across the capacitor soon after diode stops the conduction. Very important question. Voltage across capacitor soon after diode stops the conduction. Stop conduction. So how much voltage? It is equal to 2 Vs. Okay, next fourth one, voltage across the inductor. Across inductor soon after diode stops conduction. Diode stop conduction. So that is equal to 0. Next, fifth one, voltage across the diode. Across diode soon after it stops conduction. Conduction. So how much voltage? The soon after it stops conduction minus the Vs. So these are the 5 possible questions from the LC circuit. Peak value of the diode current, conduction. So this is the only the important current. Suppose in the commutation circuit also, so we will use this formula, peak value of the diode current. So that is I naught is equal to IP sine omega naught T. So conduction time of the diode. Okay. Voltage across the capacitor soon after the diode stop the conduction, 2 Vs. Voltage across the capacitor soon after, voltage across the inductor soon after diode stop the conduction. Voltage across the diode soon after it stop the conduction, that is a minus Vs. Okay, all of you clear my point? Okay, let us solve one question based on the LC circuit. So assume capacitor voltage at T is equal to 0, Vc of 0 is equal to 0 volts. Is given in the circuit as shown in the figure. Vs is equal to 400 volts, L is equal to 100 micro Henry, and C is equal to 20 micro Henry farad. When the switch is closed, when T is equal to 0 second, determine the following. First one, peak value of the diode current, conduction period of the diode, voltage across the capacitor after diode stop the conduction. Okay, how do we solve this question? So first one, peak value of the diode current IP is equal to Vs into under root of C by L. So Vs is equal to 400. So into under root of, so this is given the C by L 20 microfarad, okay, and 100 microfarad, a micro Henry. C is equal to, C is at 20 microfarad divided by here 100 micro Henry. So 100 micro Henry here. So micro vacuum will be cancelled out. Okay, it is equal to 1 by 5. So now this IP is equal to, let's calculate this one. $400 into root 5. Sorry, 400 divided by root 5. So it is equal to 178.885. Okay, 5 amps. And second one, conduction time of the diode. Conduction time of the diode. So that is a T. The T is equal to the 5 root LC. Okay. The simplify here 5, okay, into, so 20 microfarad into 100 micro Henry. Okay. So next third one. Okay. Voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across the capacitor when diode stops soon after. Voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across capacitor soon after diode stops conduction. Stop conduction. So that is equal to 2 Vs. Okay, here 2 into, so it is a 400 equal to 800 volts. So next one, voltage across inductor. The soon after diode stop conduction. So it is equal to 0. That is at 0 only. Now fifth one, voltage across inductor. Voltage across diode. Okay, soon after it stops conduction. Stop conduction. So that equal to minus Vs. Okay, it is a minus 400 volts. So these are the formulas for this LC circuit problem. So very, very important formulas. Okay, these are. Okay. All of it clear, everyone? If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. We'll discuss all the doubts later. Okay. So this is Unacademy Gate Telugu team, and these are the Unacademy Gate schedule Telugu team. I am taking electrical machines from 4 to 5:30 every day, Monday to Friday. So engineering mathematics 7 to 8 Monday to Friday, geometries 8:30 to 9:30 Monday to Friday, communication 4 to 5:30. This is the official Creatrix channel. Please join in this channel. And Unacademy Gate Telugu Telegram group. Please join in this channel for any updates from the Telugu Unacademy Gate Telugu. So these are the different channels under the Unacademy. One is the Creatrix Gate, the Creatrix Gate for EEC instrumentation, Unacademy Gate Mechanical, Unacademy Gate Civil, Unacademy Gate Telugu, Unacademy SSC JE, Unacademy Computer Science, Unacademy Gate Questions, Electrical Junction, Unacademy Engineering Foundation, Engineering Pathshala. Okay, thank you all. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class, we will discuss about the SCR construction and also SCR construction and characteristics. This is the next class topic. So silicon control rectifier construction and characteristics. Thank you all. Thank you very much.